Hi friends, welcome back. This is MAK Anwar from MAK Career Guidance. NEET 2021 exam date is greatly announced by the NTA, National Testing Agency. So there are 2 months. The hard news is going to end by this announcement. And now there is a twist also that I see in the end of the session. Okay. Now the NEET 2021 is announced on 1st of August. Everyone knows about that. And friends and guys, and we have 2 more months for the severe and intensive preparation. The mode of the exam is finalized as a pen and paper. And official website, if you can use that nta.nic.in and nda.ac.in. Okay. So this exam is going to be conducted in 11 languages, including Tamil. Okay. And the information bulletin about the application and registration, all the details, it is going to come on 15th of March. So 2 more days to go. And there is a one more twist is, so NEET 2021, so far we have been known that is used for MBBS admission, BDS admission, and Ayush courses admission. That means Siddha, Ayurveda, Unani, Homeo. Okay. Now, now the twist is included BSc Nursing and Life Sciences. So let us see the circular, NDA circular. Very clear they written, and there is some confusion also. The NEET UG 2021 is going to be conducted by NDA for admission to MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BSMS, BMS, BHMS courses as per the relevant norms and guidelines, regulations notified by the concerned regulatory bodies. Correct. That is very clear. The result of NEET 2021, that means NEET score, may be utilized by other entities of central state government, including Indian Nursing Council, nursing colleges, schools, JIPMER, okay, for counseling admission to relevant courses, including BSc Nursing and BSc Life Science. That is the twist here, BSc Life Science. If it is BSc Nursing or allied health courses or paramedical courses, that in that is the case, they have to mention allied or paramedical terms. Now they have BSc Life Science means it gives more difference in everyone's mind, correct? So now life science means what? Life science means different course. It is like a BSc degree courses. We can call it life science for the forestry, biochemistry, biotechnology. Everything comes under life science only. So let us see few subjects, few courses under the life science. See this: BSc zoology, biology, genetics, and BSc ecology. Okay, this is all normal one. If you see BSc biochemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, bioinformatics, biochemistry and immunology, and biotechnology, fermentation technology, industrial microbiology, biotech, and BSc aquaculture or agriculture also something. So BTech marine science, BSc fisheries, BSc food science, food technology, forestry, radiology, nursing, but dairy science. So these all coming under the life science. So it is not defined properly. So we have to wait in the bulletins what they have mentioned in the bulletins. So then only we will come to the clear ideas. We know the clear idea after seeing the bulletin only. So now this a life science means it gives more confusion in the minds of students and parents. So we have to wait for another 2 3 days. So till the bulletin comes, then this will get the answer for all the doubts. Correct? So many doubts are coming up. Now that this needs score life science means okay, already the ICAR is conducting the different exam. Okay, for the agriculture, forestry, and biotechnology, food technology. So whether this NEET 2021 is going to replace the ICAR exam, that also is a little confusion in everyone's mind. Okay. Anyhow, let us wait for another 2 days to get the complete picture in bulletin information. So till then, we will also update whatever the best we can give. We will also give you the best to you. And thanks for watching. Till then, bye bye. Take care.